Welcome to this exploration of the photoelectric effect, one of the most groundbreaking discoveries in the history of physics. This phenomenon reveals how light can eject electrons from metal surfaces, and more importantly, it proved that light behaves as particles, not just waves. This discovery fundamentally changed our understanding of the nature of light and launched the field of quantum mechanics. Before the photoelectric effect was properly understood, physicists believed that light was purely a wave that transferred energy continuously. According to this classical wave theory, brighter light should eject electrons with more energy. However, experiments showed something completely unexpected. Even dim ultraviolet light could instantly eject electrons, while bright red light, no matter how intense, could not. The crucial factor turned out to be the frequency of light, not its intensity. This contradiction created a major crisis for classical physics. The photoelectric effect experiment is elegantly simple. A light source shines on a metal surface. When light of the right frequency hits the metal, electrons are instantly ejected from the surface. These ejected electrons are then detected and measured. This straightforward setup allowed scientists to make precise observations that would eventually revolutionize our understanding of light and matter. 4 critical observations from the photoelectric effect experiments completely defied the predictions of wave theory. First, electron emission was instantaneous with no time delay, even when using very dim light. Second, below a certain threshold frequency, no electrons were ejected regardless of how bright the light was. Third, increasing the light intensity increased the number of electrons ejected, but not their individual energy. And fourth, the maximum kinetic energy of ejected electrons depended only on the light's frequency, not its intensity. These observations simply could not be explained by thinking of light as a wave. In 1905, Albert Einstein proposed a revolutionary solution. He suggested that light is not a continuous wave, but instead consists of discrete energy packets called photons. Each photon carries a specific amount of energy that is directly proportional to the frequency of the light. This meant that light has particle-like properties. When a photon strikes an electron, it transfers all of its energy in a single quantum event, like a collision between particles. Einstein's photon theory can be expressed mathematically with a simple equation. Energy equals h times F here. E represents the energy of one photon, h is Planck's constant, which equals 6.626 times 10 to the negative 34 joule-seconds, and F is the frequency of the light. This equation tells us that higher frequency light carries photons with more energy. This is why ultraviolet light can eject electrons while red light cannot, even if the red light is much brighter. When a photon strikes a metal surface, its energy is used in 2 ways. The equation for this energy balance is the maximum kinetic energy equals h times F minus phi. Here, phi represents the work function, which is the minimum energy needed to remove an electron from the metal surface. This work function varies for different metals. The threshold frequency is the minimum frequency, where h times F equals phi, meaning the photon has just enough energy to free an electron, but the electron has no leftover kinetic energy. Einstein's photon theory elegantly explains all the puzzling observations. Emission is instantaneous because one photon transfers all its energy to one electron immediately, like a particle collision. The threshold frequency exists because if h times F is less than phi, the photon simply doesn't have enough energy to eject an electron, no matter how many photons are present. Higher light intensity means more photons, which ejects more electrons, but each electron still receives energy from just one photon. And finally, higher frequency photons have more energy, so they give electrons more kinetic energy after overcoming the work function. The photoelectric effect demonstrated that light has a dual nature, behaving as both a wave and a particle. This discovery launched the field of quantum mechanics and transformed modern physics. Albert Einstein received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921 specifically for his explanation of the photoelectric effect. Today, this phenomenon is the foundation for countless technologies, including solar cells that convert sunlight into electricity, photodetectors in cameras, and quantum technologies that are shaping our future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.